What is going on, traders? It's your boy Vlad coming with a quick video. I want to make this video really quick, and it's entitled "Just Be Aware of Greed." Reason why I say that is based upon my trade yesterday. In fact, let me pull it up so you guys can see. So roughly, I was up like $600 and something within like the first minute of the market open, and immediately I thought to myself like, oh man, I could maybe double that, because I only made one trade so far, so I should be able to double it to make $1,200 on the day. And that was not the case. So let me get it pulled up in front of you guys so you can see. There's right his $650. $650 within literally like the minute, within a minute of when the market, because I bought it overnight. Let me show you the chart and what I was seeing. And what you're hearing in the background, that's the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, you'd like to join, the link is in the bio. So pretty much all this was just a simple breakout pattern. OTC breakout. This had news on the 17th. It didn't do much of a run up, but it started picking up volume here. Once I saw it was at the breakout, bought it, sold it as soon as the market opened. Missed this big run up here, but overall still made $650. So the reason why, like I said, beware of greed is my mindset for that day was like, okay, Black, you make $650 within minutes. Just walk away. You can have a stress-free day. You don't have to, you don't have to keep trading. $650. That's a lot of money, especially in one day. In the real world, some people don't even make that a week. So $650, that, like I said, that is a lot of money. But instead, I broke a lot of my rules. I started trading during zombie hour, which caused this loss, this right here. I broke one of new rule that I have in place, which is if I'm gonna short, it was still within zombie hour haven't came yet. So one of the rules that I have in place, if I'm shorting above the VWAP, only short with 30% of my full size. Instead, out the gate, I slammed 1,000 shares. Got squeezed all the way to the 246, which where I got out for a $340 loss. Then from there, because this is how the trade went. It went up 650, down. The next trade that I made was plug. Okay, up 650, up 770. Then still got greedy, and I took this $300 loss. That's the third trade. Then from there, I'm like, man, let me at least try to get back to 600. So I made this trade, CYDY, zombie hour, SINT, zombie hour, zombie hour. I didn't know that was an overnight play that I botched up completely. Playing it for the gap up, and I sold it way too soon. I think I didn't know it's probably at like $28 now. When this $27, so this was very, very predictable. But again, I wasn't being patient. But yeah, so overall, I think yesterday, after being up so much, I think I only made, like $50, $66. That's crazy. So I gave it all up, all because of green. So So the moral of the story is, if you are up big, it's okay just to walk away from the markets. You know, stop trying to, because one thing that I realize now is, no matter how much money you start making in the stock market, you always want more. Because I remember when, making $100 was a big deal for me. Now for me, it's like, oh man, if I could get 1,000, 1,000 a day, but 600, $650, that's phenomenal. If you're up big in the market, just walk away. Attack it the next day. Don't get too high, don't get too low. Just try to stay even kill. Um, but that's all the video lesson was about, is protecting what you got. You're up, protect that capital, and yeah. To the next video, guys. Hope this was helpful for someone. Leave a comment below and smash up the like button. All right, guys. Peace.